Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is James from the Research Revolution. I'm over here on the Telegraph. Canada investigates mysterious pinging sound at bottom of sea in Arctic. Look at this. The pinging was heard in the remote Canadian Arctic. Canadians military isn't... Sorry about that. Canadians military is investigating a mysterious pinging that is emanating from the sea floor in the Arctic. The sound, which has also been described as a hum or a beep, has apparently spooked the local wildlife in the Fury and Gila Strait. Paul Casey, a member of the Legislative Assembly, said the noise was emanating from the sea floor. That's one of the major hunting areas in the summer and winter, and this time around the summer there were hardly any, and this became a suspicious thing. The military said it was investigating what was causing the sound. Remember the Russian woodpecker and stuff like that? These are new technological ways using RF frequency. The Department of National Defense has been informed of the strange noises emanating in the Fury and Gila Strait area, and the Canadian Armed Forces are taking the appropriate steps to actively investigate the situation, an Armed Forces spokesman said. What's this? This is where it came from right here. Alright, let's get out of here. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, they got this ridiculous picture. I'm sorry about this, guys. Please let me get out of this. Thanks, Google. Okay, thanks for messing up my stuff. Thank you. It's the lamest thing ever. Thanks, Google. I didn't need this. This stupid graphic that you put. I didn't need it. Thank you, though. Department of National Defense internal correspondence suggested submarines were not considered a likely source of the noise, but had not been ruled out. A likely source of the noise, but had not been ruled out, the broadcaster said. That doesn't even make sense, but whatever. Idiots. Internal correspondence between sources in the Department of National Defense obtained by CBS News suggested submarines were not immediately ruled out, but were also not considered a likely cause. George Qualot, another member of the Legislative Assembly, said he also noticed a lack of wildlife. The passage is a migratory route for bowhead whales and also bearded seals and ringed seals. There would be so many in that particular area, he told CBS, recalling his own days of hunting there. This summer, they were gone. There was none. The pinging has prompted much speculation. Some have blamed Baffinland Iron Mines Corporation, which has previously conducted sonar surveys of nearby. However, the company said it was not conducting any surveys in the area and had no equipment in the water, CBS News reported. Others have suggested Greenpeace might have caused the sound to scare wildlife away from the rich hunting ground, an allegation the environmental group denied. All right, let's take a look at this video.
This is supposed to be a film about AT&T fiber.
No, we're not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. Alright, well, you know what? Well, let's see how far they got. Oh, so it's still an advertisement? There, skip ad.
Hi. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. Trying to come around us. See, this one's distracting us while this other guy. Oh, that's Trash Man. That wasn't cool. There's some serious shit out there.
So apparently there is land in the North Pole.
Look at that, eh?
I got nothing to eat.
This is an awesome video.
Don't you just want to pet them?
I do. Oh, wow. Hey, I don't know if I like you this close. You get back.
Don't worry.
No. Hi.
You guys just gonna smell you, don't worry. Okay. Yeah. Not too long.
I don't like it. You see how close you got to my genitals?
That's what they smell. Take a bite.
Looks like he's scared.
Good experience, huh?
I can't believe this. This is the closest I've been.
You can get any closer, the damn thing touch you. Non. Ah, ça fait, il va s'en sortir ton bâton. Il va peut-être le tirer dessus. Ouais. He's gonna play tug of war with you.
Look at this.
Yes, coming in?
Sure. I think I've tested my luck for the day.
Hey, that's a scared animal, man. That seemed like a really scared animal. Oh, I don't want to get into that land.